Hey everyone, I'm Andrea and I'm the face behind Little Sprout Studio. I am on here today introducing myself because I had this idea that I've been thinking about for a cookie line that I wanted to finally share. I haven't, of course, worked out all the details. If you know me, you know I just kind of dig in, figure it out as I go. This is my idea. I had been creating these cookies for friends of mine in my life. They're funny little sayings of people's quirks or things that I like about people in my life, and I've put them into sayings on cookies. So for example, I have one that says probably late for something. I have one that says caution, I have no filter. I used to work in dog rescue, and so I have tons of dog friends, so just want to pet the dogs. I have another one that says it's fine, I'm fine, everything's fine. And I gave that cookie to a friend of mine yesterday. She's the kind of person that is juggling a million balls, and you see her juggling a million balls, but yet when you ask her, how are you? It's, I'm fine. Yeah, it's fine. Everything's fine. And so it's just kind of a way for you to embrace people's quirks, acknowledge them, send them a nice message, and make them feel good. And so I'm calling this line of cookies the Hey, You're Awesome line of cookies. And on the back, you can write a little note to someone. This one I wrote to my friend Krista. She gets this cookie, the Hey, I'm probably late for something cookie. And then just on the back, I wrote, there is no one I would rather be waiting for. So it's just kind of a fun way to appreciate the people in your life. And then I was thinking, how else can I kind of spread the love? So I decided that the next couple of months, these cookies, 30% of anything that I make out of them will go to Lend a Hand Up, which is a really great organization in Fargo that, lends a hand up financially for whatever reason, for whatever families are in need. So that is my thought. They are on my website, littlesproutstudio.com, and you can order them. They are $10 for one that I have already, a saying that I've already created. But if you want to do a custom saying, there's something that you want me to put on a cookie, I can pretty much, I think I can figure out almost anything. If you, obviously I can't write a paragraph, but if you have a funny saying that resonates with you that you want to give to someone, just, fill out the form and write what you want to say, and I can figure it out. I have to make a certain kind of file and fit it on a cookie and make it look pretty with design. But those cookies are $15 for a custom one. So I don't know, I want to give it a go. And I figure you get to make someone in your life feel great. And also we get to then collaboratively give money back to the community to help someone that you don't know. So I figure it's a win-win, and I get to create fun cookies and meet all of you. So this is my idea, the Hey, You're Awesome cookies. When you do get them, they are packaged in a heat seal bag. So I put the cookie in the bag like so. I will heat seal it so that it stays fresh for a few weeks, and then I will put it onto this card for you, and then you can write whatever it is you want to write, and you can anonymously put it in someone's mailbox, or maybe you want to do it for your child, put it on their bed, put it on someone's car, put it on someone's desk for a coworker. Anyway, that's my idea. I'm throwing it out into the world today, and we'll see what happens. So spread the word, and I think all of you are awesome, and I can't wait to meet you. Bye.